Hey, my people, hey, not be small thing o. Who start this gbege between Naija and Ghana? Who start am? The dragging no be here o. Ghana and Nigerians, wetin dey happen? Wetin dey shele? Moses Bliss come make the whole matter called tie rapper wey be say come introduce Ghana woman's wife. This one my people, dragging don dey continue. They never stop for the dragging o. Nigerians don go root out the old pictures of this Moses Bliss wife. So una know say after her wedding, so after this their wedding, come dey begin dey drag her, say see clothes wey e wear, see wetin e wear, no wear better thing, this and that. Say dey do Christian daughter of Zion. Dem come go bring her picture wey be say she wear cloth wey be say her hand dey show, she even do hair as in Nigerians no dey carry last for